Now let us discuss some problems related to the particle in a box. So coming to the first question, normalize the wave function. Normalize the wave function psi of x equal to a sine n by x by L. This is the wave function that we got from particle in a box. Okay, so we need to normalize this wave function where a is the normalization constant, n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. and L is the length of the box. So we need to find the value of a. A is some constant, not called normalization constant. So we know the normalization condition. This is the normalization condition, mathematical condition. That is the total probability of finding a particle inside the box. Where we are taking the limits here, it is inside the box. So inside the box must be equal to 1. That is integral 0 to L mod psi of x whole square dx equal to 1. This is the normalization condition. So here we need to substitute psi of x equal to a sine n pi x by L. Okay. So substituting here the wave function mode of wave function whole square. Okay, so mode wave function, which means a square then sine square n pi x by L dx, which is equal to 1. Since a is a constant here, a square can be taken outside, so a square 0 to L sine square n pi x by L dx equal to 1. And using the standard results, actually this integral part 0 to L sine square n pi x by L dx is equal to L by 2. How it is coming means, while we are considering sine square functions, sine square of anything or cos square functions within a limit, if it is from 0 to L, this is the total, full limit is 0 to L, so its answer will be equal to half that limit, L by 2. Total length is L, so half of that length will be the final answer. This is the main condition, standard result. In case of cos also it is there. If this limit is from, for example, if it is from 0 to 2x, something from 0 to 2x, then its result will be, the total length of this integral will be 2x. So 2x divided by 2, that is half of the length x. That is the standard. This is the standard equation. So using that result, here we are getting, here 0 to L means total length is L, so L by 2. This is the result that we are getting. So substituting these results here in this equation, a square, then remaining part will be equal to L by 2 equal to 1. So we got this expression, and from here, that is a square, sorry, I will write this one more, that is a square will be equal to, a square will be equal to 2 will come here, L will come here, 2 by L. A square will be 2 by L, and hence a is equal to under root 2 by L. This is the normalization constant a. So substituting that value here, instead of a, we are substituting. So sin of x is equal to under root 2 by L sin n by x by L. So we have normalized this wave function. So if we are getting a question to normalize a wave function, what we have to do, we need to find the value of this normalization constant. A is the constant here. We need to find the value and substitute in this, and we need to find a wave function like this. Okay. So coming to the next problem, find the probability of finding a particle between 0 and L by 2 for a particle in one dimension box, that is particle in a box in the ground state. So how we will find this? Just we need to find the probability of finding a particle. Consider a particle. So just consider a particle confined in 1D box of length L. Just consider, what is the normalized wave function here? The normalized wave function is, psi is equal to under root 2 by L sine n pi x by L. This is the wave function. So here we are telling it is in ground state. Okay, so what it will be, equal to root 2 by L sine n will be equal to 1 here. So sine pi x by L for ground state, that is n is equal to 1. We are getting like this. Okay, so now we need to find the probability of finding this particle. Okay, so what is the equation for probability? We need to find the probability. Just I will give the general expression. The probability of locating a particle, just finding a particle between 2 points, between A and B. Just consider between A and B, 2 points A and B. What will be the equation? We use the probability equation. P is equal to integral A to B psi of x mod square dx. This is the limits that is in between A and B. How here it will be 0 to L by 2. We need to find from 0 to L by 2, and the wave function is this one. For ground state it will be this under root 2 by L sine pi x by L. This will be the equation. Okay, so here we are going to find probability P is equal to, what are the limits? 0 to L by 2. Then what is the equation? Under root 2 by L sine pi x by L. This is the wave function. It's square, mod square. There is no complex numbers, so just we need just to take the square dx. So this is the equation, which is equal to, here L by 2. This constant can be taken outside. Root of L by 2 the whole square will be 2 by L. Integral 0 to L by L, 0 to L by 2 sine square pi x by L dx. So this is the integral. So this is the standard integration. As we said just in previous slide, that is if we are having sine square x or cos square x from, for example, from 0 to 1, the value will be equal to 1 by 2. Here also if it is 0 to 1, that is half the limits. Half of the this length. 0 to 1 means 1 by 2. Just half. Take just half. This is not true for all the integrals. It is only true for full integral, full length or half length. Full length or half length. That is, while we are considering this problem, 0 to L is the particle in a box from 0 to L is there. So while integrating from 0 to L or 0 to L by 2, we can use this formula. Okay. So what will be the result? It is equal to 2 by L into 0 to L by 2 is the limits here. So it's half. L by 2 by 2, which is equal to 2 by L into L by 4. L gets cancelled, 2 and 4 get cancelled. So what will be the result? Equal to 1 by 2. So we are getting the probability of finding the particle from 0 to L by 2. So this is our, just consider this is our particle in a box, 0 to L. So we know that from 0 to L the probability is equal to 1 because the particle is inside the box. So from 0 to L it is equal to 1, and from 0 to L by 2, just half the limit, it is equal to P equal to 1 by 2, just half of the full probability. Okay. So coming to the next problem, find the probability of locating the particle between 0 and L by 4. The same problem that we are dealing with, that is particle in a box, particle in a box. Just consider this in ground state only, ground state only, ground state. That is n is equal to 1. So what we are having, psi is equal to under root 2 by L sine n pi x by L. So since it is in ground state, you can just take it as under root 2 pi L sine pi x by L. Okay. So how to find the probability here? What are the limits here from 0 to L by 4? So we can take probability of finding the particle between 0 to L by 4 like this. Integral from 0 to L by 4 psi square dx is the expression, equal to psi square means square of this psi, that is under root 2 by L. So square will be 2 by L, that constant can be taken outside. 0 to L by 4 sine square pi x by L dx. So how to find this integral? This integral cannot be found by using that half standard equation that just before we have used. From 0 to L we have used that 0 to L by 2 we have used that. Whenever we are having sine square term or cos square term, we can just take it as limit. That is, if it is L means we can just final equation will be just equal to L by 2. Like that we have considered, but that is only to full limit or half limit. If this 0 to L is the full limit, so we can use that standard equation for full limit, and for half limit L by 2 also we can use. But this is from 0 to L by 4. We cannot use that standard equation here. Okay, we need to solve it directly. How to solve this? We need to solve this 0 to L by 4 sine square pi x by L dx. We need to find this. How to change the sine square? We are having cos 2 theta equation. You know the standard equation, cos 2 theta. If it is theta, cos 2 theta will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. There is an equation like this. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So while taking this to here, 2 sine square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta, or sine square theta equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. This is a expression from trigonometry. Like that we can change this expression too. Okay, so what will be the expression? 0 to L by 4, the sine square term. Instead of theta we are having pi x by L. Okay, so what will be the expression? 1 minus cos 2 theta. Instead of theta, pi x by L. 2 pi x by L divided by 2 dx. So our integration is changed like this. From here we can take the 1 by 2 can be taken outside. 1 by 2 can be taken outside. This integral can be divided into two integrals. That is 0 to L by 4 1 dx minus 0 to L by 4 cos 2 pi x by L dx. So we got the expression like this. So in the next expression, we can take the two integrals separately here. That is from 0 to L by 4 1 dx. What will be the equation? 1 means integral will be x only. So from 0 to L by 4, it will be L by 4. And the second integral, that is from 0 to L by 4, that cos 2 pi x by L dx. So it will be equal to 2 pi x by L dx. So it will be equal to what is the different integral of cos? It will be sine only. So sine 2 pi x by L divided by the constant, that is 2 pi by L. 2 pi by L. From the limit from 0 to L by 4. Okay, so it can be written as L by 2 pi sine 2 pi by L, giving the upper limit. So instead of x, it will be L by 4. Then minus lower limit. Substituting the lower limit 0, here sine 0 will be 0. So it will be L and L gets cancelled. 2 and 4 remaining will be 2. So it will be equal to L by 2 pi sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1 only. So the integral value is L by 2 pi. Okay. So from where we came here? Actually we came from probability of finding is equal to 2 by L, then 0 to L by 4 sine square pi x by L dx. So from this equation, we divided that equation into two parts. That is 2 by L is outside. Then again we put 1 by 2 outside. I think you remember that 1 by 2 also there outside. Then what is remaining? L by 4 minus this term, L by 2 pi. Okay, so this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and L also denominator, and here 2 numerators L are there, so L gets cancelled. So what will be the remaining term? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi. This is the probability of finding a particle in between. This is the total limit 0 to L. So we go from 0 to L by 2 here, and this is the L by 4. So we found the probability of finding it from here to here. It will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi. And we go from 0 to L by 2, it is 1 by 2. And from 0 to L, it is 1 only. Okay. So now we are having few more problems. Try to solve these problems and the similar problems for a particle in a box in a ground state. So ground state means it is n is equal to 1 only, ground state, and find the probability of finding the particle from L by 2 to L by 4. So we just found from 0 to L by 2 we found okay, so here you just need to find the probability of finding the particle from L by 2 to L by 4. That is also half only, L by 2 to L by 4. The correct answer will be 1 by 2 only. You just find. And the second problem is for first excited states, that is n is equal to 2. Here also you find from 0 to L by 2. Okay. So after seeing all these results, finally we can just so generally consider this is a particle in a box, 0 to L. 0 to L, particle in a box problem, particle in a box. So we know that from 0, this is the L by 2, so the half limit 0 to L by 2, and by plotting, just we can plot like this. This is the point L by 4, and from somewhere here it will be 3 L by 4. So we can say that the probability, just we can, this is the ground state, and just consider this is the ground state, n is equal to 1, ground state. Actually we are plotting a ground state wave function like this. There is a wave function like this we are plotting for ground state, and we can conclude from 0 to L by 4 that we are taking as different sections from 0 to L by 4, L by 2 to L by 4 to L by 2, L by 2 to 3 L by 4, and 3 L by 4 to L. So the probability will be, here it will be, you can solve, and I will write the expressions here. This will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi. This we have solved already, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi. And in this area, from L by 4 to L by 2, it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 pi. Okay. Similarly, this area from L by 2 to 3 L by 4, here also it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 pi. And here in this area, it will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi. Same expression from 0 to L by 4 and from 0 to L by 4 and from 3 L by 4 to L. End areas. All these things probability is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi. And just in between that, that is L by 4 to L by 2 and L by 2 to 3 L by 4. The probability will be P is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 pi. So by seeing these two results, we can see 1 by 4, all this area from here to here. What will be from 0 to L by 2, the sum of all these two things. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 pi plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 pi. So it will be equal to half. Similarly, here also half. And half plus half will be total probability equal to 1, like that only. Okay, so I think it is clear.